Okay, before I move on too much, I've actually got Python now working. So if I start up Python, the problem is it's Python 3.4, but that'll do nicely. So I want to show you the sort of difference between Python and sort of PHP. So in Python, if we wanted to do this hello world blah, I would need to do print. Because it's Python 3, I'm having to use parentheses before my keyword. So there we go, print hello, print world, print blah. So the differences we can see straight away is that we don't have any semicolons at the end. Let's get rid of that. We don't have any semicolons at the end, and we've got print enclosed in parentheses. So if I run that, I need to save a file. Let's save it as hello. There we go. It appears in a console window, not in a browser. So PHP always prints its work out in a browser. Python always prints it in a console window. Another difference here is that for PHP we've got 3 words here, and they printed in a line, whereas Python printed them on separate lines. We can use, instead of echo, we can use print. Now the reason for using echo is old-fashioned really. So print would be just as good. So if I save that and then refresh my page, I've still got hello world blah, and because nothing really changed, if I actually changed something in here, make that a capital, we will see the fact that it has worked. So we can use print in PHP. I prefer echo. I think it's down to you. The other difference between this and Python, remember if I indented this and saved it and then try to run that program, I get an error message saying unexpected indent. So indents are crucial in Python, they're really necessary, but if I put indents into PHP and save it, refresh the page, then it doesn't give me an error. So these two languages work a little bit differently to one another. I'm not sure if I can actually enclose the print in parentheses. We will try that. So we can match Python up with what we do in PHP. The closer we can match the languages, the better your learning is going to be. So if I save that, refresh it, yeah, it's okay. Let me just check that by again changing the blah to a lowercase, and there we go, it works nicely. So at this point we can use pretty much the same commands that we use in Python in PHP. However, I must give a warning that we need to be careful Echo is the true way of doing it, but obviously print is another way of doing it. It kind of ignores it, but we might get an error somewhere down the line, so please be careful. So that is a look at Python versus PHP. What I want to do next is take a look at these strings, and I will look at them both in Python and in PHP.